Hey everyone, Steven here again, and I'm back with another quick Cod3x tutorial. Today I just wanted to show you what all the tools on the sidebar are and what they're for. So let's start with the first one, which is a manual position creator. If you trade with chat, sometimes you want to have control manually, then you can come in here, maybe get a trade recommendation from chat, and just open a trade manually, input anything. You can choose either to use isolated or cross margin, short, long, take profit, stop loss, and everything, and then open the trade. After that, we've got the chat, and over here you can do pretty much anything. You can just say hey and just watch Cod3x reply, or ask for trade setups, or for trade setups and execution. You can basically trade from here as well, or update your agent. After that, we've got the workflow adaptations. And this is where your agent learns from its mistakes. So if it makes a mistake on a tool call for Hyperliquid or for anything else, it will show up here, and then this will run into context, and it should be able to correct itself on the next runs. And as you can see, mine has collected a few errors here, and then it has used them again sometimes later in order to not repeat itself. After that, we've got arguably what's the most important part of Cod3x, which is the goals or tasks. Here lie all your prompts for the goals. You can see the amount of runs. You can pause or activate them all. Click on any one of them. You can see the task prompt and what the strategy is for this, let's say for this short ETH trade. You can pause, activate, or manually run the goal. You can see all the run details over here, or control the triggers that fire up the goal as well. Right below that, we've got your agent's portfolio, and here you can see your Hyperliquid balance or your Arbitrum balance, depends on where you're trading. You can send funds from here, ETH or USDC, and you can see what's in your wallet as well. This is basically your portfolio page. Right below that, we've got the trading tools, and over here you can bridge in and out of Hyperliquid or Arbitrum as well. Like if you got funds on base on anywhere else, you can bring them to your agent here on Arbitrum. After that, we've got the transfer tool, and you can use this to either transfer to other agents you have, or externally to any other wallet that you want to transfer out to. And as the last thing here is the withdrawal. This will fully withdraw all your tokens, but before that you still need to bridge out of Hyperliquid. Once your funds land on Arbitrum, you can fully withdraw your agent. Right below that, we've got the analysis and the news section. You can see what's going on here, and if your agent has a prompt to look at the news, it will draw insights and news from here, and it will use that in its analysis. And below that, we've got the notifications. Over here, you'll be notified about everything. If you pay credits with Coinbase Commerce or anything else, you get a notification. If a goal runs, you'll also get a notification from any other agent you have as well. So if you have different agents over here, all your notifications will be together bundled over here. So you can click on any one of them, and it will take you directly to that goal run, and you can see what happened right away. Right below that, we've got the template controller. So if you launch templates, instead of launching new ones like before, right now you can just click on any of them and either delete or edit it on the spot. So anything that you want over here, you can edit and then save your changes. And also there's a feature where if you edit your agent, it will automatically pop up that you need to sync if you want to sync that agent with the template, and your template will be automatically synced. Right below that, we've got the version history. So anything you change on your agent will appear here. I just changed my models, as you can see, that appear right over here, from Sonnet to Haiku. And anything that I've done before in the past, like if you change goals or trading strategy or anything, it will tell you what you change. So that's all saved, and you can revert at any time. And after that, we've got the settings. This is where you activate or deactivate your agent. This is where you control its personality, its thinking and learning, which needs to be hooked up. Your, most importantly, trading config as well. This is where your main trading strategy lies, right over here. This is where you control what you trade on, whether that's GMX or Hyperliquid as well. enforce stop losses and take profits. Over here, we got social engagement, which we don't have anymore, and also the risk tolerance right now is not operational. The agent draws all its info from the main trading strategy. Right below that, we've got optimizations. And in optimizations, you can save some credits by skipping the chat formatting from the agent, the completion assessment, basically not letting it run twice. If it makes a mistake, I wouldn't recommend this, but if you really want to save credits, you could. The enable LLM model auto selection, this is for multiple models over here. If we disable it, you can see that will default only to one model for everything. And if you enable it, you can choose 3 different models for the 3 different tasks that your agent is running. And then the AI commit messages, basically, if you do any agent changes, it will also commit code changes, so it'll be more reliable. So if you've got that selected, you can go to the advanced parameters, and here you can select your models. Primary model, that's the model that's used for the overall task planning and how it's going to execute it. We recommend Haiku 4.5 for that for now. Then the simple model is just for fetching the tools. GPT 4.1 mini is cheap and it will handle it pretty well. And then the main analysis model, which is gonna analyze the market and then use the tool for opening and closing positions. In this case, GPT 4.1 does the job great, and it's still not that expensive. If you want more reliability, we would recommend Sonnet 4.5 as your last model. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. See ya.